Hi, I'm Rachel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Lifetime menu. The Lifetime menu is a user-friendly, expandable tree view navigation panel. So everything you need, you will find here. So once you log in, go to the left-hand side of your screen. And you will see the menu is divided under 4 tabs. The first one is tax, then ask, shop, and news. So let's have a look at the first one here, tax. Under tax, we have all your essential tools here, such as tax A to Z, tax checklists, guides on tax returns. We also have a comprehensive collection of both Irish and EU legislation, such as the Irish Tax Acts, Irish tax regulations, and EU Council directives, EU Council regulations, and EU Commission decisions. Under guides, you will find the latest tax guide and tax magic published by TaxWorld. Down below is the comprehensive collection of tax duty menus from the revenue. So the last item here is Tax Academy. And if you want to find out more, please watch the video on how to learn with Tax Academy. So the second tab here is Ask. It's where you can ask real-life questions. So please watch the How to Ask a Question video to find out more. And again, on the News tab, you can watch how to check the latest developments to find out more. The third tab here is the Shop tab. This is where you can either sign up or upgrade your membership and book your next CPD event and purchase the latest publications from TaxWorld. We also have a full collection of Finance Act and Tax Guide that's available for free download for both free and premium members. So I hope this was useful, and I will see you in the next video.